That's 8 pieces, so really that's 16 rows because my other piece will be full.
Make sure you're plumb.
Yeah.
That one's out.
A little, just because of how the board had to go over the lip of the tub, and it kind of pushed it out at the bottom. But the rest of the way up, past the bottom, is good.
Okay. Starting with a full or half?
I'll start with a full.
Will you trowel all the way across, or will you just do it in sections, or how do you do that?
I am going to put some on the wall up to about the niche.
Okay.
And then I will lightly back butter each one of the tiles.
Okay.
Before applying.
Follow and subscribe for more.